Today we are going to install Java in our system. To download Java, just open a web browser and type Java 8 download, and you will get a lot of results. And from the results, select the top result, that is from Oracle. And in Oracle website, if you little scroll down little bit downwards, you can see a lot of download files based on different operating system versions. Here you can see the Linux version file for Linux version, and you can also see the files for Mac OS and also for Windows. And in Windows section you can see two files, that is Windows x86 and Windows x64. And the Windows x86 is for 32-bit system and x64 is for 64-bit system. So that you need to download the file based on the system. So if you don't know your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, what you can do is that go to this PC, then here right click and select properties, and here under system you can see there is a field called system type, and there you can see that it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Here mine is 64-bit system, so I am going to download 64-bit version for my system. So here I am going to download a 64-bit version. So before downloading you need to accept the license. So click on accept license agreement, then click on that file so that we can download the file. Click and you can see that the file is getting downloaded. So after file gets downloaded, you can go to download folder. So open your downloads folder and you can see that executable file there. So double click on that executable file. So wait for some couple of minutes. Now you can see a pop-up window, and now click next button, and now also again click next button. So Java is getting ready to installed. So now you can see one option that you need to change the folder or not. So you can select the folder. If you want to any other folder, you can select any other folder. So I am not going to change the folder. So normally it will be installed in C program files Java folder. So now click next, and Java is getting installed. Now you can see a message that Java is successfully installed. So click close. Now you just open your C drive, and in program files you can see that there is a new folder is created, and with the name Java, and you can see Java is installed, that JDK and JR is installed. So now to check whether Java is installed properly or not, just open your command prompt by typing cmd command in search box. This command prompt will get opened, and here type java minus version and click enter. And now you can see that an error message that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is because the system doesn't know where Java is installed. So we need to tell the system where we can find Java. So go to Windows, C, program files, and open Java folder and JDK folder, and select open bin and select and copy that link. So now go to this PC again, right click, select properties, and here you can see a link called advanced system settings, and there click environment variables, and here you can see a variable called path. Select that, then click edit, and now click new and paste the copied link there, and now click OK, and again click OK, and here also, then and close, and again open command prompt by typing cmd in search bar. You can open command prompt and now type java minus version, and click enter. Now you can see that it is showing a success message that Java version and version number. So Java is installed successfully and now you are ready to rock. Welcome to the Java world. You can also check the Java compiler by typing javac command. Okay, thank you. And in next video we will learn how to write a first program in Java. Please like and subscribe.